At Plantix, Simone, you are using artificial intelligence and machine learning to identify disease in crops. How exactly does the platform work?
The farmer just need to take an image of a ill plant and we analyze it through our networks and our algorithm, and he gets back a result within 5 seconds. And these algorithms, I mean, you can think of them as digital experts. So they see a picture, and every plant disease, pest, or nutrient deficiency leaves a certain pattern on the plant, right? And we gathered a lot of pictures, so we have a huge data set, and this images we give to the algorithm to train, like an expert would train as well, seeing a pattern again and again and again and again. And after a while, he can identify the pattern of the disease or the nutrient deficiency.
5 seconds is very fast. So, how accurate is the AI in identifying issues today in crops?
We started really with 5 nutrient deficiencies we could identify. Now we train over 400 different classes on 40 different crops, and we get to an average accuracy of 90%, over 90%. So actually, we had an AlphaGo moment where our algorithm was working against human specialists, and our algorithm won, actually. So it was really nice moment to see this. But we are quite lucky that we have so many images we get from our users. The most important thing to create really robust algorithms is actually that you have a wide variety in space and time, different stages of diseases, so that the algorithm in the end have a holistic picture of a certain disease.
So, how exactly is the platform helping subsistent farmers? Can you give us some specific examples and use cases?
The feedback we get from our users, they tell us one thing: they can triple actually their yields. So that's really amazing. And what we also hear, that they could reduce the costs in terms of inputs and plant protection by 25%. When the fall armyworm came to India, so it's a new species of insects, and it wasn't there before in India. And while getting the data and the images from our users, with every image, we also get GPS points. So we know exactly where it happens on the ground, and this in real time. So we could actually really good observe how the worm was spreading in India. We even could tell Sri Lanka, for example, that the worm went over to the island, right? So this is real-time data which is not existing like this, particularly when you think about small-scale farming, and where we work a lot together with governments as well as research organization, and also like companies from the sector who can build up predictions and also shipment of the products above of our data.